Bro, I watched one of this nigga videos, bro. This nigga videos are fucking ass, no cap. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how niggas watch that nigga. Yeah, I'm not even that picky of a person to watch shit with. Anyway, let's watch this DreamCon video. Ask 100 anime fans type shit.
Yo, it's Rob here for Show and Showdown, and I'm here at DreamCon 2023 in Texas. And you know what time it is. We are doing side character anime tier list today. Let's get it. So you're the first one in the tier list.
Side characters? All right.
So yeah, you're gonna place a new one right here.
All right, let's see it.
Oh, you got Kageyama from Haikyuu.
You can tell who like a top tier side character.
Solid.
A for Kageyama. All right, this is a side character anime tier list. You get to place a new character, or you can change one that's on the board already. What you want to do?
New character.
New character? All right, here, pick from this bag. You can't see it though.
No.
Who'd you get?
Woo, Kamina. You know where this goes. Okay.
Oh, hey! Okay.
That's like a side character though.
Who'd you get? PA from Yu Yu Hakusho. Come on now, be respectful. Yeah.
I feel like side characters are easier than main characters. Like you could know who a shit side character. Like except for like Sasuke, nigga probably be like Sasuke is a terrible side character. Well, some niggas probably be like, yeah, he a good side character. It really depends.
Get one new, because these are actually, they did a good job. I'm not even gonna act like they did. I'm gonna dig in here. Let's see what we get.
Let's go. Who you get?
Oh, Shadow! Oh, Shadow!
Shadow was a shit side character, bro. Nigga is not good. I don't know that much about Sonic lore, so let me stop talking. But in my opinion, he a shit side character. Let's really get into it.
There you go. We put him in the first spot. In the first spot of S tier. You gotta do it.
Hey, Shadow is S.
I'm gonna take one from the bag.
Vegeta. See, I'm biased about Vegeta. It's like I fuck with him. He a good side character, but like they hold a nigga all the time, so they can really amp up Goku. That's the only reason that nigga there for real. So it's like in the story, like story wise, I say like I don't know. Like story wise, I feel like he a good side character, but like like how they wrote that nigga, like how they wrote him, I feel like he a good side character. But like how he utilized is like, bro, they holding this nigga. I don't fuck with it.
Fucking right. And that's logic. Okay.
It's like side character is like, bro.
Vegeta, best Deuteragonist, best side character shown in anime history.
Oh, you changed one? Oh my god. Oh my god. What you doing with Shadow, bro? Oh, only one. You can only move one, my boy.
Hold up. You ain't got to explain.
No, Vegeta the greatest Deuteragonist to do it in shonen anime. Sonic ain't that good of a protagonist to have a Deuteragonist too.
All the Sonic
all this.
I'm going to take one.
Who'd you get?
He a good side character though. I don't know if he S tier. I feel like he A tier more.
Yeah.
S tier is like crazy side character, but he good. But you gotta really think side characters like, bro, compared to like every show got like some good side characters. Like I don't know, bro. It's actually hard. It's probably harder than the main character one. I was just saying how this is gonna be easier than the main character one. Now I think about it, it's actually harder. It's harder in the sense like every character is like if they all good side characters, it's like yo, everybody can be S tier. Everybody can be S tier because like everybody in S tier is like yo, I can see them in S tier. But it's like other people, I can see other people S tier more. So it's like, bro, you're not a bad side character. It's just like I don't have enough spots to put you in S tier, nigga. So you gotta go down.
But
like,
at the same time,
they better utilize the people like. Nah, he's ass.
Okay.
When Asta gets up, who's right there? This
You can change him. Go ahead.
he's 18 for real.
There you go. All right. There you go.
Bro, you gotta really think about it, bro.
Y'all put Vegeta at S, but that can't even touch his own MC.
EA don't take no L's. This don't take no L's. This a real ass. So we switch these.
What? See, these niggas bugging. They talk about what? Switching Vegeta and Asta. And this fucking, I said Asta. Who is this nigga? I forgot. I don't watch anime no more because it's so ass. Bro, come on, bro. Let's be dead ass right now. You're buggy.
You know.
These niggas are buggy. Nah. See, bro, anime fans, bro, no. Anime fans' opinions is too crazy. Niggas about to start boxing over this shit. I ain't gonna lie, I would too. This nigga's bugging. Like, bro, let's really get to this, bro. This nigga really about to switch out fucking Vegeta and S tier with a fucking. Oh, I forgot the nigga name, bro. Somebody from fucking Black Clover. No, we don't got no more hot sauce. Everybody actually be. I need to be having a hot sauce. Like, you know, I have hot sauce.
So think about this. Why they always making Vegeta evil? Because that nigga can't do shit unless he evil. That's what I'm saying.
Why that nigga did?
Okay. All right.
Vegeta in general or Majin Vegeta?
Oh, Vegeta in general.
I'm biased, bro. I can't let this out.
No character has more character development than Vegeta. He's as... I'm changing it back.
Alright, we step.
Oh,
That is
you
true.
gotta show him. Reggie.
Hey, yo, this nigga Reggie. Hey, Reggie even a... Okay. It's a side character. Reggie not a good side character. Oh God, bro, Reggie's not a good side character. That ain't good. I don't know. F tier. Damn.
Oh my God.
Yeah, straight hold.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hold on again, Reggie.
Disrespect is crazy.
Oh yeah, that's S tier. That might be. He probably in front of Vegeta.
Who wanna fight me on this?
Yeah, I'm not fighting you.
See, I don't like Vegeta up there. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to. He died and rose from the dead on the third day on Sonic Heroes, bro.
Who you get? Oh yeah, Gojo. Okay. All right, Gojo A tier. Yeah.
Like, you can tell he gotta have like everybody on the top is like, yo, every character they pick is like, yo, they could be S tier like side characters or at least A tier. But like, except for Renji, that nigga, he's terrible. I'm not gonna lie. He probably the most he can. I say F tier. I don't know, F tier. Definitely B or C tier. I'm good. F tier is crazy. F tier is like you're dog shit at everything. I mean, he is dog shit at a lot of shit, but I don't know about. I don't know about that. Oh no. No, it's really crazy.
Lucky little, I might have to take it out real quick.
What?
Switch with Gojo.
What? Gojo over Killer?
You're tripping.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
We're not even talking about fighting. We talking about side
So
characters,
this is the
nigga.
side character anime tier list. You can either place a new one from this bag or change one that's on the board already. Let me see what you're doing.
Nah, put Killer Way in A tier is crazy,
God.
nigga.
Oh,
The disrespect is crazy. Okay, the Killer Way respect is crazy.
He was a slave, bruh.
He was.
oh.
What?
Go ahead. Oh.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. That was disrespectful. I ain't gonna lie.
He's not, no.
That's what we doing, you know?
All the way to B. Yes!
All random.
Yes. Niggas really about to fight over this. Oh, they together. Oh, that's her man. Hold on. She look good too. Go back. She look. Hold
All
on.
random.
This nigga a bitch on God. That was my fault. Yeah, he probably not even a bitch, bro. I'm just mad because you got an anime girl and I don't. I wish I had a girl that can sit here and watch anime with me. That shit would be lit. I could just, bro. We do. Hold on, bro. Now you think about to piss me off, bro. About to make me mad because he got a girl that can watch. He can watch anime with. All right.
Only
Anyway.
one. Who'd you get? Oh, Kawaki? Okay. Yeah, you can either place a new one on the board from this bag, or you can change one that's on the board already.
Okay, I'm gonna grab that.
Okay, go ahead. Sasuke, you know what to do.
You kind of get on my nerves, so we'll do that.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know. I'll put Sasuke lower than that shit. Oh God, Sasuke got B.
Yeah. Who'd you get?
I don't know who this is.
It's from Ranking of Kings.
I don't know who this is.
Put him B tier.
Okay.
I give him B.
All right. I'm not mad. You want to grab a new one, or you can change one on the board? You want to grab a new one? Go ahead. Who'd you get? That's
Urza? Nigga, you don't watch Fairy Tail? These thick ass anime fans, bro. Nah, Urza's a stepper. Hold on. Urza a stepper. They blood. They playing. Bro, Urza a stepper, bro. She was really there. She really down. If Asta, well, Asta a main character, so never mind. But who really, bro? Urza a stepper, bro. She really in there pushing shit down, bro. She like, yo, nah. Urza, she at least B tier. At least B tier. I give her A tier for real. Cause she really out here. She was really moving weight in it. Like she had a name. She had a name before niggas even started watching this shit. Niggas like, yo. Alright, never mind. Never mind. She really.
So, oh, you changing one? Sasuke S?
Bro, you can't trust these girls' opinions, bro. Girls, they just dick suck at Sasuke, bro. You can't trust them.
Inosuke? Yeah. Come on, Inosuke. Come on now. Come on.
Inosuke. He not an A tier. I go B tier. He don't know who that is.
Okay.
Damn.
Oh, you know what to do. You know what to do. Wait, what?
What? Sounds like you know what to do.
Norman from Promised Neverland. Norman from Promised Neverland. F?
He's garbage.
Point Vegeta down indeed.
It's getting crazy, man.
Man is the king.
Oh,
Nah, the king is crazy. The glaze is insane.
You doing the right thing? Oh, you looking at the S though, Finn. Finn, I don't know.
Get that pet out of here, bro.
Oh!
Get that pet out of here is crazy.
You gotta go down.
So we got.
Damn, disrespect is crazy.
Here's what it's
Okay.
Listen. Oh, you say you got roller skates?
You not even fast. You got roller skates. It's crazy.
Oh, Bakugo?
He's anybody to me, bro. He's a bot.
He's a bot. Nah, Bakugo.
you too?
I would watch, bro. I had to stop watching fucking My Hero, bro. The shit got 2 eyes. There's a lot of anime I dropped because I just couldn't fuck with no My Hero. I started watching that shit in like season 4. I would say Fairy Tail. Fairy Tail. I didn't finish the last season. I already got finished watching that. But what else? Black Clover. I started watching around like episode like 90 or like 100 or something. I didn't even get past the fucking when they was fighting that fucking dark elf. I didn't even get to the fucking demon shit. I didn't even get to that shit. And I heard the ending of the manga like some fucking Disney Channel bullshit. I'm like, yo, I'm not even about to waste my time watching this anymore. Like, I don't even care that much. And it's just a rip off of fucking Naruto anyway. What else? But I think that's it for real. I dropped anime, but like those are really the main ones for real. Every other anime on this list. What else? I didn't watch Promised Neverland. I watched the 6 season for that
one. All right. Levi.
Levi a real demon. I ain't gonna catch.
Oh no!
What? Understandable.
At least I put him at A, but he's not an S.
He's not an S.
Who you got? Oh man. The lowest spot. That's like the next class. Somebody don't like Haikyuu. That's like, okay, Simba A.
Haikyuu cool though. I fuck with it.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Okay. Bakugo
Who is this nigga? I think I know who this nigga is. I think I know who this nigga is, bro. He be on TikTok and shit. Is that this nigga? Bro, that is a nigga. He be out here. He be doing like versus battles against niggas, bro. Yeah, I had to stop watching this nigga. He a fucking One Piece meat writer. Like, bro. I promise you, bro. You know who this nigga is, bro. Like, unless it's like killer cut. Oh yeah, these niggas gonna lose, bro. This nigga is riding One Piece meat every fucking day, bro. I'm like, damn, nigga, let the nigga fucking Luffy breathe. He got his meat all down his mouth. The nigga dick extended down this nigga throat because he own his meat so much, bro. Like every video is about One Piece, bro. This nigga is like, bro, they winning every trip. He do versus battles too. Like every trip, I'm not playing, bro. I have to stop watching nigga video because of that. It's like, yo. If he wasn't being unbiased, bro, I would still fuck with his videos. Some of his videos cool, but it's just every One Piece video, bro. It's like, bro, the nigga meat is too far down your throat, nigga, and he got that long extended rubber meat, and I know you sucking on the nigga shit too hard, bro. Like he was really fucking blowing me. Every trip he was blowing me. I literally had to.
How many anime writers you won't come out of nowhere and say, I need to say this to this man that his
What is
lowest
that?
time possible?
That might not be you. That might not be you. He look like him though. I don't know. He look like him. It's just the face build.
Shadow moving the most. Shadow's been getting a lot of love. Sasuke's obviously in S. This is so disrespectful. Norman needs to move up higher. I don't care what anybody has to say. But as long as Sinbad's in A, you got Vegeta in S. I'm not too mad. A lot of people are sleeping on Kage. I'm not one of them, but
I'm not one of them.
Finish this board up, man. Let's go do it. All right, Mark. We got the side anime character tier list. You can either change
anime character tier list?
Yeah, you can either change one that's on the board or place a new one from this bag right here.
Oh, change what's on the board?
You can change one or place a new one. This is for all of DreamCon. This is gonna be DreamCon's tier list. So, oh, Levi? Yes! Hey! Only one, only one. Only one. Oh,
nah,
oh, damn.
Nigga going crazy. He like, nigga, it's my shit.
Yo.
Nigga like, you here because of me.
Only one. You gotta know, hey. You can do it. No, but I see what you're working with, though. Man, there we go, man.
He carries like half of the Attack on Titan. Without him, there would be a dead.
No, that ass.
But I don't know, Killer One. Whoever next on the board, change it.
Change it. Nigga did not change it.
Reggie right down here.
Oh,
who did this?
You can change him.
I don't know. I kind of want to put Killua and C. I expect Killua. That's my dog. But I don't think he's an I don't think he's an A tier dog. I'm sorry, Killua. You're my governor, but
Now this nigga talking about this nigga Mark said if you nigga said whoever go next, change it. This nigga put that nigga lower.
I got a picture at C, man. I got a picture at C. Nah, his hairline is crazy.
Oh, wait, whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
There's no way you put that nigga at.
Yo.
My God.
Yo.
You know what his name is?
This nigga is bugging, bro. This nigga just put fucking L. I mean, yeah, L. He put L and fucking F tier, bro. Let's really get into this, bro. This nigga is dumb. He's not smart. Obviously, his IQ levels are low. They're not high. Because why the fuck would he think that made sense? That's where we get to that, bro. But I fuck with anime too, bro. But this nigga is dumb. He's not smart, bro.
KD_opinions on TikTok. I cannot let them go with this right here.
Oh, my gosh. Oh. Wow.
They not gonna like that.
Go.
I don't care how y'all feel about that.
Oh, okay. Killua. Oh.
That's my
there
guy.
it is.
That's my guy.
You gotta put Killua in S tier. No, Bakugo A tier is crazy, bro. Oh, she bad though. Who that? Hold on. She bad. Hold on. Let me really. I need to go to anime convention. Oh god. I didn't know they got baddies there. They might be weird though. I ain't cap.
Reggie from Bleach?
I'm not gonna say he's like B or nothing. I'm gonna give him a D+. Cause I can't do that.
Urza is C tier is crazy.
So we got the side characters and anime tier list. So you can either place a new one from this bag right here, or you can change one that's on the board already. Who you get?
I think I
Rocky Muff from Chainsaw Man.
She's not up with them. So she gotta be like
She like
probably like right here.
yeah, she like C tier.
Get mad on their boy.
I'll probably get her lower.
Okay.
Right there is fine. Why is he in F tier, bro? I'm not feeling that.
I'm so confused with these
I'm
niggas even
saying,
talking
bro.
about.
I don't know why they did Norman like that. You can swap one. You can swap it. Yeah. You know skate? Oh. Oh, yeah.
There's some real disrespect going on over here, man. I don't know who did this.
Yeah, I don't know who did that. That was mad disrespectful, bro. Take that nigga Shadow out there.
Argue with this top S tier, so I just go ahead, just give the due respect.
Okay. Yeah.
Take that nigga Shadow out of S tier. I don't care, bro. I don't care what anime he in, bro.
Okay. Bakugo A tier? Bakugo A tier?
I'm not reading no fucking.
Alright, so you could either
This ain't anime, not fucking anime and manga.
This bag.
I want to pick one from the bag.
Who'd you get? Oh, Mikey? Tokyo Revengers? Come on.
Mikey gotta be like B tier.
Come on, Mikey.
Just put him in B tier, bro. What?
You pulling back?
What? Bro. Who the hell? I'm getting distracted, bro. They can't be putting these bad bitches in my face, bro. Like, come on, bro. You got a girl wearing a froggy suit, bro. And T got ass out, bro. Hold on, bro. I'm not. Hold on. I gotta lock in. My fault, game. My fault. I gotta lock in. What? It took a leap out of. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I lied, bro. That's what I'm saying. Everything down there is crazy, bro. What? Nah, Gunther out of there is crazy. No, I feel like Gunther not S tier though. Gunther probably like A tier. He is carrying the show. Damn. C tier is crazy. I feel like he's more like an A or B tier. Gojo. We don't know too much about him yet. Zoro is definitely an S tier, bro. It's just. Oh no, he just. Yeah. No. No, I don't know who got stuff in there. Oh, no, that was crazy. This nigga's a demon. That nigga with the rookie foot on, he's pissed.
You're not gonna save Zoro? You're not gonna save Zoro? Niggas gonna get mad.
You think you're not gonna save Zoro is crazy. Damn. I got a One Piece fit on and not saving Zoro. Nigga, F tier nigga. Save your mans.
You don't deserve that, alright? You know what? Alright, so you took Zoro out?
Take this bitch out. I read the manga. I still hate this bitch. I hate her with a passion.
Look, we got Edda and Eddie. We got Edda and Eddie on here. Wait, what? I'm trying, guys. I'm hoping to check it. Oh, Reagan from Mob Psycho. Reagan from Mob Psycho. What we doing? Oh, okay.
That's respectful.
I mean, what is going on? Yo, the F-Boys is crazy.
There's a lot wrong with this list right now. I'm gonna let it be known. I can only make one change.
Oh, yep.
Don't hate me for this one.
Stop it. What? Alright, this nigga's buggy. This nigga's buggy, bro. And One Piece is my favorite. I mean, not One Piece. Bleach is my favorite anime, bro, of all time, bro. Bleach is my favorite anime of all time. And I know this nigga Reggie is not S tier. So what the fuck is this nigga doing, bro? What the fuck is this nigga doing? Like, what he got going on? I know he was a Bleach fan, and I fucked with him for that. And I fucked with his, like, I fucked that he got the courage to do this, but he needs to really use his brain right now, because Reggie is not an S tier nigga. I promise you he not. So he need to lower that, wherever he got going on, he need to lower that down, bro, because he's bugging. He's literally bugging right now. F tier is crazy. This nigga is dapping up everybody.
A single one in his life.
Change your one? Oh.
Hit that nigga out, bro.
Okay. Oh.
F tier is crazy. This nigga just replaced the shit. You have to fix that shit real quick.
Oh, you changed it? There we go. There we go. This platform right here. Okay, that's fine.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Come on. He need to be up there. Nobody's sleeping on Sasuke. What? Bro, niggas don't really know, bro. I don't want to fuck One Piece like that. But they just disrespecting the fuck out of niggas.
Shadow, man. Oh, yo, look at the feast, though. The Shadow feast? Yeah. Okay. The people say you S tier, man. How you feel?
I know for sure that's the right answer. So that's that ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere.
What you get? What you get? Arthur from Fire Force.
The only Arthur I acknowledge, he got a library card, bro. So I'm slapping him.
Oh!
Nobody care about that nigga.
Dreamcon's tier list. This is Dreamcon's tier list. I have nothing to do with this.
Yeah, everybody pissed at this nigga.
Hey, this is Dreamcon's tier list, man. Side characters and anime.
Yeah, everybody pissed. They don't give a fuck.
Okay.
Type shit.
Okay.
Easy moves.
Oh.
Now, so DreamCon just got baddies, huh? That's what they saying. They saying DreamCon got baddies, huh? Okay. That's all I needed to know. When the next DreamCon? I'm there, nigga. I'm there, nigga. Come on, bro. They said DreamCon is where the bad bitches are at. So that's all I need to really understand is that the bad bitches are at DreamCon. Alright. I done muted the show accident.
Mugi, Samurai Champloo, what we doing? Oh. It's Kagami from Kuroko. Okay. He's out the way.
He got too many good side characters on his list.
Okay.
Type shit. I don't care who she put up there. I don't care who she put up there.
Okay, Gojo moving. Oh.
Yeah, makes sense. No, I don't give a fuck about Bakudo. I don't give a fuck.
All right. Oh. Alphonse is moving. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Sasuke is not that good of a side character. Niggas dicky in him. They just slurping that nigga meat up, bro. The meat sucking in here is crazy, bro.
Okay.
These niggas' opinions are fucking ass, bro. Everybody, all these niggas' opinions are ass, bro. I already know what type of niggas these are, bro. I already know, bro. I already know what type of niggas these are. Their opinions are ass. I feel bad for them. They get no bitches. That's the type of niggas these are. They the bitchless ass niggas. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Alright. That's all I need to know.
Gojo's an S.
I know all y'all want to do episodes. Stop playing.
Nigga, the new one. Alright. This nigga is shame.
Come on now. Come on.
That's crazy.
You add a new one, or you can change one on the board.
Let me get one.
5 7 deadly sins, man. What you doing?
This nigga fucking ugly, bro.
Oh.
No, Vaughn low-key a demon too, bro. All you niggas, bro, you gotta think about it, bro. Fucking, I'm gonna say, bro. No, I would say two niggas I know need to be an S tier. Fucking Zero. Hold on, not even two. Zero, Bond, and Killua. All three of them niggas need to be S tier. All for it, bro. All for it, bro. They need to be S tier, bro. Them niggas are real steppers, bro. Niggas really stepping for the story. Stop playing, bro. These niggas dicky. I already know it. I already can see it in their fucking face. That's crazy.
Wait, what?
That's crazy.
Yo, Norman's getting disrespected today, man. Oh! Let's go!
The dicky is crazy, bro.
What's the issue?
Yeah, that nigga they even want to switch that nigga on nobody else.
Okay.
He's at least A.
Nah, at least A. She just put that nigga S tier. You gotta put that nigga S tier then.
Okay, Sasuke. Hey, only one.
Who's this guy?
That's Alphonse.
Who is this guy, bro? Why you even here, bro? Why you trying to even? If you don't even know the niggas on the list, don't even fucking switch the list, bro. That's what the rules need to be. Cause these niggas switching niggas, they don't even fucking know what's on the list. He like, who is this nigga? Why are you switching shit if you don't know who he is?
Okay. All right, Sinbad. Oh!
What?
First of all, I'm switching this because he should be here. You should be here.
Okay. Can I get a new one? Yeah. Oh, Janos, One Punch Man.
Yeah, this nigga always getting that beat.
Come on.
He not S tier, bro, or B tier, or he not A. He not A, S, B, or A or B, bro. But low key, hold on, cause low key, bro, Jido's low key a stepper too. Alright, never mind. He might be A tier or B tier. The disrespect is crazy.
Okay, yeah. Levi's moving.
They gonna be watching this video like, bro.
I'm gonna have to do it, bro. My boy was too goated. He was too
Okay.
Nigga die half this. My fault. My fault. I wanna go crazy.
Like, it's too early for him. I'm
It's too early for, but it's too early for Gojo. Like some of these niggas, it's too early to know. Like, bro, they really like these. They really them niggas. It's too early. Like, Gojo is too early for this nigga. Some of these niggas like, yo. Some of you is like, yo, you're not.
Be respectful. Be respectful.
You're like, yo, nigga.
Oh! Wait, what? Oh, man. I mean, listen, I see what you're saying. Side characters in anime.
You better move up, Shadow.
Zenitsu?
Zenitsu. As a character, I feel like she's not even that great for her. I gotta put it out there.
Hey.
Everybody can argue with their mom, but not me. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Get out of here.
Damn.
Argue with your mom. Give me the mic. That's the Reagan. For mom needs it. But I feel like Shadow didn't really do anything.
Oh, no. Oh. Shadow? Oh.
But I think Master Reagan deserves a modest spot.
So you say this nigga Shadow didn't do anything? Bro, this nigga didn't do anything, bro. He barely did shit. And one time that nigga did something if he had his fucking students' powers, bro. Come on. Alright. He barely a good mentor. Nigga was lying the whole time. They whole group is his crib.
So you can move one. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, you gotta swap him. There's not enough spots.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
Type shit. Makes sense. I took out Gojo for real. Nigga don't even be up there.
Oh,
yeah. I know what type of girl she is.
Zenitsu?
I don't even trust these niggas' opinions, bro. Most of these niggas' opinions is like, some of these niggas like, yo, they probably watch anime. Most of these niggas just probably just hop on a bandwagon. I can't really trust it, what they really think for real. Cause I'm not one of them niggas. Like I really does this shit. I've been watching anime. Shit was on YouTube. I've been watching anime type shit, bro. I had to watch the little shit in the corners, bro. That's the type of shit I was on. Bro, come on, bro. I don't trust these niggas, bro. Nah, a crazy story I got for, bro. One time I had, bro. I mean, one time, bro, at school, bro, my Chrome, we had like Chromebooks, right? And then our Chromebooks, we had our own personal accounts, bro. So for my personal account, I had a wallpaper. My wallpaper was this thick ass anime bitch, bro. She was thick as shit, bro. It wasn't showing nothing. She was just thick, bro. And then my teacher saw that shit. He was like, "Yo, what the fuck is this?" This nigga, he trying to write me up for that shit. I'm like, "Damn, nigga, you're on my dick heavy." Nigga was on my dick crazy, bro. I had to change it. I was mad too. She was thick as fuck. It was just some, I don't even know who it was. It was just a random thick anime girl, and she was just my wallpaper. It was crazy. Bro, nigga don't even do anything unless he sleep. Let's really get into this, bro. What? That's your man? That's your old man talking about what are you doing?
There it is. Levi right there.
Type shit. I don't know about that one. Damn, nigga just getting lower and lower.
Wait, what?
Nigga getting lower and lower, bro.
No Sasuke, no Naruto.
Only one. Okay. Yes. Seto Kaiba back up. Hey. Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah, they put him in. Yeah, Vegeta and B. Okay. All right.
So he needs to be off.
What? Bro, these hoes, bro, they don't give a fuck, bro. They just doing shit. Let's really get into it. These hoes doing shit, bro. She what? She talking about he never lost a fight. What they gotta do with anything? That nigga is a alright.
He holds his team down. All his friends eat. They never have to worry. He's gonna go save his friends nearly die. I feel like he's never
Mikey S.
Mikey S is crazy. Somebody put that shit back. Somebody put that shit
This
back.
is what DreamCon 2023 came up with for the side characters
Oh,
anime tier list.
bro.
Y'all agree with this? No. Half and half. Listen, you guys let me know down in the comment section below whether you agree with this
Not
or
at all.
disagree with this. And with that, see you next.
I don't agree with this shit at all, bro. They really dick in, bro. It's gonna be crazy. I don't fuck with this. I don't fuss with this. Nah, villain list would be hard. No cap, do that shit. Oh god, you can't. I feel like a villain list. Like, come on, bro. That shit, bro. I feel like everything with anime, I'm like some. I feel like villain would be easy. I said the same shit about this, bro. And they just made this shit more difficult than it was. I'm not even gonna lie. Shit pissing me off. It has to be S tier. The amount of people who be watching the show just because I would show the devil no need him. Oh god, bro. I ain't gonna cap. After Elda, I'm like, yo, bro, this shit not the same. Who the fuck care about Nier? Fuck Nier. Nigga, barely a person. Let's get into that. Being a child fan, beef is pure comedy. I could definitely see this become a series. Keep it up. No, he need to keep doing this shit now, cause this shit is funny as fuck. But nah, bro. Like, come on, bro. They dickying. They was dickying the fuck out of it. Like, hella niggas, bro. They was pissing me off. I'm like, yo, what y'all got going on, bro? These niggas was doing anything, bro.